Okay. Hi guys. Welcome back to Kim Does Stuff. It's been 2 years? Yeah, I'm in a whole new background and I live in a whole new place. So I got a divorce and a whole bunch of stuff happened. That's not why I'm here today. My name is Kim Does Stuff for a reason, and it's because I do stuff other than waffle iron cooking. And this is a story I really want to tell, and it's important. If you see me looking over, it's because I'm looking at my bird, and that's actually what this story is about. I adopted a bird. I'm going to say adopted, but I guess I bought a bird off of Craigslist. But I went to get this bird that somebody didn't have time for anymore. And, I've been wanting a bird for a really long time. So I saw this bird and I was like, yes, that is a bird that I would love to have. Clearly doing way too little research at the time, but still, that's the bird I want to have. And like, if you look at my shirt right now, I'm literally covered in bird poop because I have to hold the bird all the time. But so I go get this bird and everything's fine. The cage is really dirty, but she says she just didn't have time. Okay, do you want to come here? Step up. Step up. Okay, never mind. She's coming in. I say, that's fine. She said she just didn't have time to clean it, even though I had talked to her for hours before I ever went to get the bird or anything else. I talked for hours about the bird. She's telling me everything. I call her Sunny. And also, I don't know if she's actually a girl. I'm not assuming her gender. I'm just giving her a girl or a boy. Sometimes I call her him. So whatever. Are you fine with that? No? Okay. She's fine with that. Or he. I don't care. So we go and we get the bird. I bought the bird. She came with all of her cage, her playthings, her everything. I might actually go ahead and walk you to see those things. But that's not what the story is about. A dirty cage, that's whatever. It's going to happen anyway. So yeah, we took it outside. We hosed the whole thing down, scrubbed it really good. It was not like a week's worth of poop. It was definitely more than that, but that's neither here nor there. So, she came with a lot of stuff. It's like, okay, great. Somebody really loved this bird. But there were a couple of problems. One problem is how her wings have been clipped. I'm going to try to close up on this. If you just look at where her flight wings should be, I know. Okay, that's not really how you clip wings. So that's one problem. Another problem is her feathers. Can you look up? No? Does that make you nervous? God, I'm sorry, this phone. Her feathers on her neck are gone, and that could either be from self feather pulling or from ringworm or whatever. I know this video is going to be crappy. Guess what? I ain't editing it. But there are a couple of causes, but regardless of the cause, it is neglect if you have, one, not taken your bird to the vet, two, not paid enough attention to your bird. So the reason that my particular bird that I have adopted and or purchased, whatever you want to call it, was not taken to the vet is because I bought my bird in Virginia. And in Virginia, my bird is a Quaker parrot, and Quaker parrots are illegal. Well, they're not illegal. Some states they're just full on illegal. But in Virginia, they are allowed only with special permission, as far as you have to have one, a special license to own one, and two, they have to have their wings clipped. So there's one part that she did do, which is clip her wings. However, she let her sister-in-law or somebody do that, and this is, oh my God, horrible. Horrible. I can't even imagine holding her down for this. And she didn't have a license, so there's no way she's taken her. What? There's no way she's been taking her to the vet at all. I've only had her a couple days. I haven't taken her yet, but she is going. So then we have, I live in North Carolina, which means she's totally legal here with no restrictions. I don't have to do anything special to have her. So when I find a vet and everything, which I guess I should have done first, huh, Sonny? That's on me. That's my bad. But she'll be going to the vet soon. I'm sorry, I keep saying. I'm trying to remember everything in order. So then the crazy thing happened. She wanted me to keep in touch, which I was totally fine with. Yes, I will send you pictures. Yes, we will continue to be updated, all of that stuff. Then it turned into, in the last 3 days, I've gotten no less than 10 texts per day. And, like, that's fine. Okay, you're worried, you know. You just gave your animal up. Sorry. Also been sick for a month. So, but you gave your animal up and you really loved it. That's what I'm thinking. Even though there are clearly some concerns. Last night, she starts texting me about, I am moving and I will have a house that will better suit her. So I would love it if maybe I could have her for overnights or, you know, weekend visitation. Like, she wants me to take this bird. I paid for the bird that I know needs to go to the vet, that I am going to have to do a lot of things for in order to hopefully get her to where she's supposed to be. I paid for this. I know. But I would like to have weekend visitation. Now, she did not offer child support. I'll just say that right now. She didn't offer anything to me, but she wants me to literally bring this bird, who cannot be in Virginia unless someone has a license. I don't have a license. I don't have to have a license. So if I even drive this bird to Virginia, where I got it from, which I didn't know at the time. I know, mommy's a shit researcher, huh? But no, I am not bringing the bird back to you. Clearly, it has some issues. I've tried to show you guys. You're not having weekend visitation. Even my ex-husbands pay child support not to see their kids. I would still let the kids go even if they didn't pay. Trust me, I've done it. But still, no. This is not your bird. It's now my bird living in a state where it can legally live, doing things it can legally do, and healing from the things that you did to harm it, in my opinion. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Leave me a comment down below if you think I'm wrong. Maybe I'm just being terrible, and every time we go buy a pet, we should let the old person that had it have weekend visitation because they want all the fun and none of the actual financial responsibility, or, you know, just, I mean, fuck it. I don't know. But you let me know, because maybe I'm being stupid. Also, more updates to come, I promise. I am not going to be editing any videos, so if y'all don't like the cuts, I'm sorry. but this is what it is. So thanks. Have a great day. Subscribe, like, comment, all that fun stuff. Bye.